Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Standard Chartered mobile banking app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Standard Chartered mobile banking application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Now Standard Chartered mobile banking application will be open. Due to privacy and security reason, this interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. When you open the Standard Chartered mobile banking application, you'll be able to find the login option, so simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the login interface. In this interface, all you have to do is enter your username and password. You'll also be able to find the option for forget in case you forget your password. So if you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your credentials, that is username and password. After entering it, what you have to do is tap on the login option and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Standard Chartered mobile banking app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.